Hello everyone, hi. So as you guys must have seen on the thumbnail, in this video I'm going to talk about the family connection part of the Aaip. So in past, some of the people have confused that we already have a family connection in Alberta and how does that help us? Okay. So in this video, I will touch upon that particular topic and I hope you will get some kind of value out of it. Okay, so without any further delay, let's go into the discussion. So if you look into the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, we all know that there are 4 streams available under this particular program. Now, if you look into any of the details of the program, the only program or the only substream that talks about family connection is the Alberta Express Entry stream. Okay. Tourism and hospitality stream, Alberta Opportunity stream, or even the rural renewal stream, they don't talk about the family connection, which basically means that even if you have family in Alberta, you are not going to get any kind of advantage as far as these 4 streams are concerned, right? Let's look into this. Let's go into tourism and hospitality and look at the eligibility page, right? Where's the eligibility? This is after you are nominated. Let's open this tourism and hospitality stream. Let's look into the eligibility, right? And if in the eligibility, if I search by say Control F family, like if I search by family, there is no condition or any kinds of eligibility based on family on the tourism and hospitality. In a similar way, if I go to the opportunity stream and look at the eligibility and then search by family, I only see one family, that is for the open work permit, but other than that, there is no specific reference to family members in Alberta. And in a similar way, if I go to rural renewal stream and I search for eligibility, and then again I search for family. So this is the only family is available is as far as the settlement of funds concerned. So that's the only discussion on family here. Okay. So if you already have family member in Alberta, the only stream that is going to be of interest to you, and if you want to take advantage of the situation, is the Alberta Express Entry stream. Now here also, we all know that there are there are multiple substreams in the Alberta Express Entry. So there is a list, there is a link for family connection here. So if you click on here, I think this link is kind of misleading because as soon as you open this link, you would see family connection and occupation in demand. So this, what does this and does is basically brings the occupation in demand also in the picture. So it's not just important that you have a family connection, but you also need to be in a job which is in demand in Alberta. Okay, so that is what the family connection is all about. So there is a specific substream for family connection. However, if you are looking at the pure Alberta Express Entry, where Alberta will pick up your application from the Express Entry pool, then in that case also a family member in Alberta can help you, okay, who is already a citizen or a permanent resident. But here also again, it's limited to parent, child, or sibling. It's not that my cousin is living here, my uncle is living here, like that kind of thing. It's not allowed. So parents, children, and siblings are only allowed. And then here is something which you cannot apply. So here, this is a factor where you will depend on Aaip to draw your profile from the Express Entry and then send you a notification of interest. So that is the thing. And why I'm talking about this is because in the latest numbers, you must have seen that Alberta has not allocated any numbers to its any number for the Alberta has not allocated any number of applications for family stream in the for 2024. So going by this, going by the numbers, I have another video on this, on the numbers part. You can have a look at that. I don't think that the family connection draw will happen this year. So if you guys are waiting on any kind of draw for family connection, I would say start looking for alternate options. There are a lot of other options available if you're interested in Alberta. So start looking at those options. Okay, and look at that my videos where I discuss these numbers in detail, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.